Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial for XTool P2. Today we will show you how to replace the water flow sensor. This video has 4 parts. In the first part, we will tell you how to take off the external covers and plates. Then, we will show you how to remove the water flow sensor. In the third part, we will guide you on how to install a new one. In the fourth part, we will show you how to put all the parts back on. You'll need these tools or alternatives to finish the job. The 2-in-1 screwdriver comes with the machine, a plastic sheet, a replacement sensor, a linesman plier, several tissue papers. Okay, let's dive right in. Disconnect the power supply of the machine. Use the hex head to remove the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to remove the 6 screws on the inner side. Remove the rear upper cover. Pinch the fastening ring to remove the smoke exhaust pipe. Use the hex head to remove the 6 screws on the rear plate. Remove the rear plate. Remove the connection cable of the rear plate. Press down the connector of the air tube and take it out. Remove the connection cable of the fan. Remove the rear plate. Use the crosshead to remove the 6 screws on the front plate. Then take off the plate. Use the hex head to remove the 3 screws inside the left upper cover. Use the crosshead to remove the 2 screws in the front of the cover. Remove the left upper cover. Use the hex head to remove the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Remove the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Remove the 3 screws at the bottom of the plate. Remove the left plate. Use the hex head to remove the 2 screws fixing the bracket. Use the linesman plier to loosen the clamps holding the hoses at both ends. Place several tissue papers underneath the water flow sensor. Gently pull out the hoses at both ends of the water flow sensor. You can use the screwdriver to pry the hoses gently to get it off more easily. Use the crosshead to remove the 2 screws at the back of the bracket. Remove the sensor and the bracket. Plug the water outlet with the plastic sheet. Use the hex head to remove the 6 screws fixing the water tank. Remove the 4 screws fixing the water pump. Unplug the cables on the water cooling control board shown here. Remove the water tank. Cut off the cable tie. Pull out the connection cable of the water flow sensor. Thread the cable through the cable tie. Organize the cables and fix them with the cable tie. Cut off the excess length. Connect the cable of the water flow sensor to the board. Place the water tank back. Install the 6 screws to fix the water tank. Connect the rest of the cables to the control board. Reinstall the 4 screws to fix the water pump. Get the bracket and install the 2 screws to fix the water flow sensor to it. Remove the plastic sheet. Reattach the 2 hoses to the water flow sensor at each end. Use the linesman plier to fix the clamps holding the hoses at both ends. Remove the tissues. Install the 2 screws to fix the bracket. Place the left plate back. Install the 3 screws at the bottom of the left plate. Install the 2 screws at the back of the plate. Use the hex head to install the 2 screws in the front of the left plate. Place the left upper cover back. Use the cross head to install the 2 screws in the front of the left upper cover. Use the hex head to install the 3 screws inside the cover. Connect the air tube to the rear plate. Make sure the air tube doesn't get pressed and kinked when installing the rear plate. If it is kinked, cut off the segment and reinstall the air tube. Install the corresponding connecting cables and air tube of the rear plate. Then place the rear plate back. Use the hex head to install the 6 screws on the rear plate. Install the smoke exhaust pipe. Install the 6 screws on the front plate. Use the hex head to install the 5 screws on the rear upper cover. Then open the lid to install 6 screws inside. Now it's done. You've finished the replacement of the water flow sensor and the assembly of the whole machine. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the XTool support team if you have any questions.